Hello everyone. So chapter which we are going to do today is polygons of class 6 level. So before we start, let's revise different types of shapes which we have done in our earlier classes. So this is a first shape. You all are aware of this shape. It's a triangle as it is made up of 3 line segments, right? Now we can see it's a square, right, and it is made up of 4 line segments. So you all know very well the figure with 4 sides are known as quadrilateral. So this square is one quadrilateral. Now our next shape is this. You can see it is made up of more than 4 line segments. Just count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It is made up of 5 sides. Our next shape is this. You can see it is made up of more than 4 or 5 line segments. So let's count the line segments. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is made up of 8 line segments. So here we are with the chapter name, that is polygons. So we will start with the very basic thing, that is straight line. So you all know that if you have to draw a straight line, you will be using your scale, right? So here we can see, we know that by moving a pencil along the straight edge of a ruler, we get a straight line. So you can use your pencil, you can use your pen and just draw the straight line. Now the next basic thing which we will be doing today is about the curve. So if you have to draw a curve, you will use anything which is circular in shape, right? So you can use a coin. You can see I've used a coin. You can use the bangle, anything which is circular in shape, and just draw the curve line. You can see I've used my pencil and just drawn the curve. So the first thing which we will be going to do today is about closed figure. You can see the closed figure. So let's see the definition first. A figure which begins and ends at the same point is called a closed figure. I repeat the definition and I'll underline the main points also, okay? A figure which begins and ends at the same point. So any figure whose beginning point and ending point both are same. So let's show me the example. So you can see is an example which is a circle, right? So if you start drawing a circle from this point and just draw the circle, so we will end it somewhere here only, right? It means the beginning point and the ending point both are same. Let's see the other example. So here you can see it's an example of a square, and if we start drawing the square from here, we will be stopping somewhere here only, right? So it is also a closed figure because its beginning point and its ending point both are same. So I'll show you one more example. Suppose if I took a star, right? So I begin from here and ended there. So this is also a closed figure. If I take this sign, if I draw the sign of infinity, right, I begin from here and ended there. So it is also a closed figure. So is one more example given, that is a triangle. And one more. So our next topic is open figures. Let's see the definition first. A figure which does not end at the starting point. So you can see it's written, it does not end at the starting point. So let's take one example. You can see there is one figure given, right? So if we start drawing this figure from the point this, so it will end here, right? So you can notice that its beginning point and its ending point both are different, right? It means it is not getting end at the starting point only, it is getting end somewhere else. So this is an open figure, okay? So let's take other example. So you can see there is one T, right? And you can see if it is started from some point here, it will go there and this, and it will get here in, right? So its starting point is not its ending point, right? That is, it is not getting end at the point where it got started. So this is an open figure. So let's come to other definition. So here we are with simple closed figure. What is simple closed figure? The first thing you should keep it in mind, a figure to be a simple closed is necessary for it to be a closed figure, right? So let's see the definition. A closed figure formed which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed figure. So I'll make you clear this with one example, okay? So if I take one rectangle and a star, first of all, you all know both are simple closed figure. Why? Because its beginning point and its ending point, right? Both are same. But what is the difference between these two? In first figure, you can see the lines are not intersecting. Any two lines, you will not find any two lines to get intersected. But in this star, you can see here, this line and this line, it is getting intersected. Here also it is getting intersected, right? It means that in stars, the lines are intersecting, right? You can see here, you can see here. So it is not a simple closed figure, okay? And this rectangle is a simple closed figure because it is not getting intersect. So let's see the example. You can see here it is a circle, square and a triangle. So these three are simple closed figure. So here we are with the important topic, which is polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed of three or more line segments. I repeat the definition and I'll mark the important points. Just see. A polygon is it's a closed plane figure. First thing, it's a closed plane figure, and second thing, it's formed of three or more line segments, right? So if you find any figure is satisfying these 2 points, these 2 conditions, then it is a polygon, right? So we'll take one example and see it's satisfying or not. So here you can see there is triangle, right? And in triangle you can see it is a closed plane figure because its beginning point and its ending point both are same, right? And it is made up of how many line segments? It's 1, 2, 3. It is made up of 3 line segments. So in the condition it is given 3 or more, right? So it is satisfying this condition. So this figure, that is triangle, is a polygon. Let's see other example. So this is a rectangle with 4 line segments, right? And this is a figure with a 5 line segments, which is known as pentagon, which we will learn today, okay? So now you can see there is one figure given, right? And the question which is asked here is this a polygon? Is this a polygon? So the first condition of a figure to be a polygon is that it should be a closed figure. So is this a close? Is it beginning point and ending point both are same? No. So it is not a polygon. Why? Because it is not a closed figure, and polygons are closed figure, okay? Let's see other one. The second one you can see, is this a polygon? No. Why? Because polygons are made up of line segment, and this is not a line. This is line, this is line, but this is not a line, this is a curve. So it is not a polygon. Why? Because polygons are made up of line segments.